What is shift lock? Shift lock lets you lock camera behind your character Roblox. It moves like third-person shooter style. Aim and control movement better. To enable shift lock in settings, open any game on your Roblox and then press ESC key on your keyboard, or you can click this Roblox icon. In here, select settings. Under settings, scroll down and search for shift lock switch. Just click this arrow icon to select turn on. Once you select it, resume playing the game. Now to activate shift lock while playing a game, just press the shift key on your keyboard and we can see the shift lock is successfully enabled. And to again turn off shift lock, again press shift key on your keyboard.